There are several ways to earn from Facebook, some of which include running Facebook ads. Facebook is a popular platform for advertisers to showcase their products or services. As an individual or business, you can create and run ads on Facebook and get paid for each click or impression the ad receives. WhatsApp ads. You can also run ads on WhatsApp, which is a messaging app owned by Facebook. Ads on WhatsApp are effective because people use the app to communicate with friends and family. Sponsoring a page. If you want to support a specific cause or organization, you can sponsor a page on Facebook. This gives your page more visibility and the ability to generate more audience engagement. Creating a page. If you want to start your own page, you can do so by creating a profile and then inviting friends to join. Pages have the ability to collect donations, offer exclusive content, and drive more traffic to your website or website page. Overall, the key to earning from Facebook is to build a significant following or audience and offer products or services that meet their needs.